What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from the Universal Orlando Resort for yet another Jurassic World VelociCoaster construction update. Hopefully there's been some progress. Let's go! The rumored Universal Studio store looks to be about the same as our last visit, and one thing I do want to point out, in the comments of our last video, somebody pointed out this is not primer or paint, it's sealant to keep out all the moisture. We don't know it all, but we appreciate when you guys give us feedback and let us know what's going on. And another look here at the corner, and some of you guys have said that there may be an LED screen. Sure looks like it to me, possibly. Again, the building itself is looking really good. Just need to put the outside panels on, finish it up, and then do all the work inside. The lighthouse. That's right, we're at Islands of Adventure, temperature somewhere in the mid-70s right now. And it's the weekend, so it's a little bit busier. Ticket windows over here, however, do not have much of a line. Turnstiles on the right are closed. The ones on the left are open. All of them. We'll be right in. Well, no wait to get through temperature checks, only a 5-minute wait to get through security, and no wait to get through the front entrance. We're on our way. Alright, let's check out the wait times. Park is open till 7, and right now we can see Hulk at 35, Hagrid's at 60, Popeye and Bluto's at 15 minutes, Forbidden Journey 40 minutes, Doctor Doom 15 minutes, Spider-Man 30, Kong at 50, P-Flyers at 40 minutes, Cat in the Hat is 20 minutes, Hogwarts Express is 60 minutes, so yeah, it's a little bit busier today. Hello, Jurassic World VelociCoaster, and I've already seen you do 2 tests as we were walking in. Good news for all of you viewers, and I'm already seeing a couple new additions right in the front entrance area as we now have raptors, baby. Yeah. Well, it appears testing has stopped for a little bit, so we're gonna move on to another location. Hey, get off my sneech.
Stubbornly stop unbudded in their tracks. It's perfect. I really like the life you say.
There's a much closer look at some of those raptors that are wrapped up for the front entrance. You can also see the markings for where the sign will be. lot of work over here underneath the stall as the pathway is just about done. Lights are there, and we have new foliage. Well, would you look at that? VelociFishies! And construction ducks, too. Here's a look at the bypass bridge, and we can see some work going on. Let's get a better view. So as you can see along the fence line, they've added a bunch of new wood and closing the gaps a little better. The patio area for 3 broomsticks has been closed off for a while due to testing of the VelociCoaster, but now it looks like they're doing some construction over there. We saw from the port of entry area that there was a new raptor underneath the stall. Let's go look. And here we are over by the stall, and there's not one new raptor, there's 2. This area over by Burger Digs still looks to be about the same. Hooray! Lots of new palm trees. These are ones that were here originally but got moved during construction, but they're back. raptor encounter and the raptor transportation tunnel. Looking to be about the same as last time. River Adventure, still closed until the 29th, only a couple more days. A new exit sign. So we've been in the park since about 2 o'clock. We saw 2 test runs as we were first walking in and nothing since. It's been very quiet today.
They ran it last few minutes. Up late.
Alright, so we just saw 2 test runs, and it's kind of funny. They stopped testing right at the beginning of the Bucs football game, and they ran the very first test run after they won. Coincidence? Lots of new uplighting also in the rockwork structure. This whole area is looking fantastic. Well, dang, park sure cleared out quick. Well, the test runs have stopped a little bit, but we can see some new lights up at the very top of the maintenance barn and station area. Tons of smaller lights are now on along the walkway too. Alright, once again, no test runs for at least the last half hour, 45 minutes. Now, one thing I do want to point out, we've seen several different trains on the track. One that did not have a front cover but had test dummies. One train that had no test dummies but had a front cover. And now we have a train with test dummies and a front cover. Our guess is, rumor-wise, there's 5 trains. Well, guys, that's going to do it for another update here from the Universal Orlando Resort for the Jurassic World VelociCoaster. And as we saw, some new raptors are there at the entrance area along with underneath the stall. We saw some testing without the lights during the day, and then we saw them test at night with the lights. Awesome looking stuff. Of course, we're getting pretty close to having this thing hopefully soft open or open soon. We're going to have more updates, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.